In a world where we believe humans evolved naturally, there is another theory, a theory that challenges everything. What if we were never created by nature at all? What if we were designed by beings not from this world, known as the Anunnaki? Who were they? Gods from ancient myths? Or something far more real, the hidden architects of the human race? And if they once came, the real question is, did they ever leave? Or are they still here, watching us, even now? Over 5,000 years ago, in a land called Sumer, the first known civilization of humanity. This is where the story begins. Ancient tablets, carved in stone, tell of beings who were not human. They were not described as creators alone, but as those who came from the sky, the Anunnaki, a name that literally means those who descended from the heavens. But what does that mean? Really? Heaven? Or something else? Something we now call space. According to these ancient records, the Anunnaki had a problem. They needed labor. They needed workers. They needed someone, and that someone was us. Two names appear again and again, Enki and Enlil. Enki, the god of wisdom; Enlil, the god of power. One wanted to create, the other wanted to control. The story says humans were formed from clay. But what if that clay was never just clay? What if it was something more? Something closer to genetic engineering, the mixing of DNA between early humans and something not from Earth, a hybrid species, us. But here's where it gets unsettling. Human evolution doesn't fully make sense. There is a gap, a moment in time where everything changed. Suddenly, the human brain advanced rapidly, unnaturally. Language, culture, intelligence, all appearing almost at once. Too fast, too precise, too perfect. So the question is, did we evolve, or were we upgraded? Some researchers believe human DNA contains anomalies, patterns that look almost coded, as if something or someone left a signature behind. And then there are the artifacts. Ancient carvings show beings with large eyes, strange forms, holding objects that resemble technology, symbols that look like the solar system, which raises another question. How did they know? Across the world, from Egypt to South America to Asia, we find the same pattern. Massive structures, perfect alignment, impossible precision, all built thousands of years ago, before modern tools, before modern science. Yet somehow, they knew. In these same stories, there is mention of a planet, Nibiru, a world with a long orbit, returning to Earth every few thousand years. Some believe this is where the Anunnaki came from. And the reason they came here? Resources. Gold. Not for wealth, but for survival. To repair their atmosphere. And if that's true, then humans were not created to rule this planet, but to work it. But the story doesn't end there, because similar stories exist everywhere. gods descending from the sky, teaching humanity, then disappearing. Different cultures, same story. Coincidence or memory? And now, in our modern world, something strange is happening. Reports of unidentified objects are increasing. Crafts that move faster than anything we've ever built, defying physics, defying logic. Some believe these are visitors, but others think they never left. And if that's true, then maybe they're not controlling us with force, but with systems, money, power, belief, structures we live inside every day, without even realizing it. Ancient texts also speak of conflict. Enki and Enlil. One wanted to guide humanity, the other to dominate it. A conflict that some believe still echoes today, in wars, in control, in the invisible systems that shape our world. Now imagine this. One day, undeniable proof is discovered that humanity was created, not evolved. Everything changes. Religion, science, history, truth itself, rewritten. And the most terrifying realization, we are not the creators. We are the creation. But there is something even deeper, even darker. What if humanity was not created just once? What if we've been reset again and again and again? Lost civilizations, vanished cities, mass extinctions, events that feel too sudden, too precise, as if someone pressed reset. If the Anunnaki are real, they may not just be creators, but overseers, managing versions of humanity. And when things go too far, they start over. Have you ever felt it? That sense that you are capable of more? That something inside you is still locked? Some believe humans once had greater abilities, but they were sealed, hidden, suppressed, maybe within our DNA, maybe within something else. If that's true, then we were never meant to be fully free, only controllable. Now consider this. What if the Anunnaki never left? What if they simply changed form? No longer in the sky, but here, inside systems, inside power, inside the structure of the world itself. Not visible, but always present, guiding, influencing, controlling, from the shadows. And the most unsettling part, we might never know. Maybe this is just a theory, or maybe it's the truth, hidden in plain sight. But one thing is certain, we still don't fully understand who we are, and maybe we were never truly in control. And if one day the truth is finally revealed, the final question is, are we ready to face it? If you like space stories, you are our friend. Click follow and press the bell so you don't miss any action.